How to find the diet that's right for you. Dieting is a great way to reach your goals, whether you want to lose weight, improve your health, or boost your athletic performance. But with so many different diets out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why it's important to find a diet that's right for you. Here are a few things to consider when choosing a diet. Your goals. What do you want to achieve with your diet? Do you want to lose weight, improve your health, or boost your athletic performance? Your health. Do you have any health conditions that need to be taken into account? If so, you'll need to choose a diet that's compatible with your health needs. Your lifestyle. How much time do you have to cook? Do you have any food allergies or intolerances? Here are a few tips for finding the diet that's right for you. Do your research. Before you commit to any diet, do your research to learn more about it. Understand the pros and cons of each diet and whether it's a good fit for your goals and health needs. Talk to a registered dietitian. If you have any health conditions, it's always a good idea to talk to a registered dietitian to get personalized recommendations. Start with something simple. If you're new to dieting, start with something simple and easy to follow. Once you get the hang of it, you can try something more complex. Choose a flexible and sustainable diet. Choose a diet that's flexible and can be followed long-term. Avoid diets that are too restrictive or difficult to follow, as this can lead to you giving up. Consider your nutritional needs. Make sure the diet you choose meets your nutritional needs. A healthy diet should include all types of nutrients, such as carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Here are a few examples of diets you might choose depending on your goals and needs. Weight loss. Diets. Low-calorie diet, keto diet, intermittent fasting, healthy diet, Mediterranean diet, DASH diet, vegetarian or vegan diet, athletic performance diets, high-carb diet, high-protein diet, high-fat diet. If you're still not sure what diet is right for you, talk to a registered dietitian. A registered dietitian can help you create a personalized diet plan that meets your needs and goals. Here are a few fun ways to make dieting more enjoyable. Find a diet buddy. Having someone to support you and hold you accountable can make dieting easier. Make it a challenge. Set yourself a goal, such as losing a certain amount of weight or eating a certain number of fruits and vegetables each day. Find healthy recipes you love. There are plenty of delicious and healthy recipes out there, so you don't have to sacrifice taste for health. Make it a lifestyle. Don't think of dieting as a temporary fix. Instead, focus on making healthy changes that you can stick with for the long term. Dieting doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. By following these tips, you can find a diet that's right for you and that you can stick with for the long term. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.